A convoy carrying Mandalay's chief minister and other government officials was hit by a suspected IED on Friday evening. 3 people were injured. The convoy of 8 was travelling through Shan State when the roadside bomb exploded. The 3 injured were all journalists and were taken to hospital. Ong Min Oo, a reporter for Mandalay Daily newspaper, was hit by shrapnel in his forearm. Mandalay's chief minister Yemint was not among the injured. According to regional police, the explosion hit the right side of the vehicle, but police are yet to determine who was behind the attack.